Today, we introduce the future of personalized transport. This bike's revolutionary engine power.
Welcome to Bikesphere, where legendary machines meet modern innovation. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike represents the ultimate evolution of long-distance touring, blending iconic Goldwing luxury with the added confidence and stability of a factory-engineered trike platform. Built for riders who demand comfort, technology, and effortless control, this three-wheel Grand Tourer redefines what it means to travel without limits. Design philosophy. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike carries a commanding road presence. Its wide rear track, muscular bodywork, and refined aerodynamic lines give it a planted, premium look. Honda has carefully balanced elegance with purpose, ensuring the trike feels luxurious without losing the aggressive touring DNA of the Goldwing family. LED lighting all around enhances visibility while adding a modern, high-end touch, making the trike unmistakable both day and night. Engine and performance smooth power for endless miles. At the heart of the Goldwing Trike lies Honda's renowned 1833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, tuned for ultra-smooth power delivery. This engine is celebrated for its low center of gravity, minimal vibration, and strong torque across the rev range. Whether cruising on open highways or climbing mountain roads with passenger and luggage, the Goldwing Trike delivers effortless acceleration and refined performance. The engine's character prioritizes comfort and consistency, making long rides feel relaxed rather than demanding. Transmission and ride control, effortless touring experience. The 2026 model continues to offer Honda's advanced dual-clutch transmission DCT, allowing seamless, clutch-free gear changes. This system enhances comfort during city riding and long-distance touring alike. Multiple riding modes adjust throttle response, suspension settings, and traction control to suit different road conditions. The trike configuration adds unmatched ability, especially at low speeds and during stops, removing the stress often associated with heavy touring motorcycles. Suspension and stability confidence on every road. Honda has engineered the Goldwing Trike with a dedicated rear suspension setup designed specifically for three-wheel performance. The independent rear suspension improves ride quality while maintaining excellent grip and balance. Advanced electronic aids, such as traction control, link braking, and stability management systems, work together to keep the trike composed in various riding situations. The result is a ride that feels secure, predictable, and incredibly comfortable over long distances. Interior comfort, designed for rider and passenger. Comfort is where the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike truly shines. The seating is plush, supportive, and designed for hours of fatigue-free riding. Both rider and passenger enjoy generous legroom and well-positioned backrests. Heated seats and grips enhance comfort in cooler climates, while improved airflow management reduces wind fatigue. Every detail is crafted to make long journeys feel luxurious rather than tiring. Technology and infotainment touring meets innovation. The Goldwing Trike is packed with advanced technology. A large TFT display provides clear access to navigation, riding modes, and vehicle information. Integrated Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep riders connected, while the premium audio system delivers crisp sound even at highway speeds. Bluetooth connectivity, voice control, and intuitive handlebar controls ensure that technology enhances the ride without becoming a distraction. Storage and practicality built for long adventures. Touring demands space, and the 2026 Goldwing Trike delivers generously. The rear trunk and side storage compartments offer ample room for helmets, luggage, and travel essentials. The low center of gravity makes the trike easy to handle even when fully loaded. For riders planning cross-country journeys or extended road trips, this level of practicality transforms the experience from challenging to effortless. Safety features. Honda has equipped the Goldwing Trike with advanced safety systems designed to protect both rider and passenger. ABS braking, traction control, and stability management work together to maintain control in unexpected situations. The Trike's wide rear stance and balanced weight distribution provide exceptional stability, especially during braking and cornering, making an ideal choice for riders prioritizing confidence and security. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike stands as a symbol of premium touring excellence. It combines legendary Goldwing refinement with modern technology and the added confidence of three-wheel stability. Designed for riders who value comfort, reliability, and innovation, this trike transforms long-distance travel into a truly luxurious experience. For those seeking the pinnacle of touring performance with unmatched comfort, the 2026 Goldwing Trike sets a new benchmark in the world of three-wheel motorcycles.